Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. You can see I have a little package here. It is on the small size and it is from Chic Sparrow, which you've probably read from the description above. I'm gonna place the packaging aside. You can see it's very tiny. Let's see, here's my invoice. Here's the product warranty card. And here's the sticker that it came with. Looks like a little ladybug and some flowers. That's cute. I think I have one of those on an insert. Yes. This is kind of a preview of what's in there. Of course, you can see it's larger than that. I got my first traveler's notebook back in like 2013, and then 2014 is when I really got into them. I'm gonna see if I can save this sticker. But the first ones I got were actually the Midori branded traveler's notebooks. All they said was Midori, made in Thailand. That was it, you know. Ooh, I saved the sticker. We'll place it on the computer so it'll easily peel off. And they were just the typical brown. My first original ones were the passport I got first. Because number one, they were hard to find. You have to remember, this is 2014. A Midori Traveler's Notebook was hard to find because there were few places in the States that were importing them. And, you know, and because of that, there were other companies that were making them. And Chic Sparrow was one of the first ones because Jennifer couldn't find what she was looking for, and she wanted a different type of leather and a different color, and she designed one and made her own, and bam, you have Chic Sparrow. And but I did find a Midori, and I don't remember what the name of the store was. I don't think the store exists anymore. It was a little store, and I had them ship it to me. And then eventually I got a couple from Amazon, and then Baum Kuchen and other places. But let's take a look at this because I've always been quite partial to passport sizes. Like I've got a Lady Falcon Traveler over here in the passport size. I've got another Chic Sparrow in the nano size, this is my wallet, and I've got lots of these in different leathers. I've got them in black and that aubergine color, and a couple of others, but great little wallet. But my first one was the brown Traveler's Factory in the passport size, and what I liked about it was a single elastic, and the elastic came from the back, and it was simple. There was no stitching, no pockets. Now I do have to say, I do love my Chic Sparrow. This is the original personal with pockets. I journal in it every day, almost every day. So I still have this one. It's hard to see, but it does have John embossed in the bottom. It was one of the only ones I ever got embossed was this one. And it actually still smells quite good. And I've had this since 2014. I used it for One Book July 1 year, and actually a couple of years. I used it for One Book July, and I always come back to this notebook. I have one of the new number 11s in the Brooklyn leather with the snap, but I still come back to this. So now that I've shown all of those for you, let's take a look. I can tell just by feeling this, the texture is amazing. And the smell is amazing. Look at that. It is The chocolate creme leather in the passport size. The texture is amazing. It is a single elastic, you can see, and they have the split just like the Midori Traveler's Factory, Traveler's Company has. And the elastic is coming out of the back. One thing that is nice is they do have one of these brads here on the back to make it flat so the knot doesn't get in the way. But this is the creme chocolate leather, and it is so great, and it smells amazing. It is like, when you think of walking into a boot shop, I live in Oklahoma right now, or I have for the last 20 years, and we have like Cavender's, and there's a couple of other boot shops. And when you walk into those stores, you're just hit by that, what we call leather smell. It's actually not leather, it's all of the coat and the dyes and all of the protectants that they put on the leather is what you're smelling. But it's that smell that we think of when we think of good leather. That's what this is, and it's nice and soft on the inside. You can see how thick that is. But let's see. I don't have a lot of my stuff handy at the desk since we've moved. These are inserts that I've made. There we go. And this Lady Falcon Traveler is like she calls it the executive. It's the one that I designed that has the card slots. I have a Chic Sparrow passport that has this type of design. That was a special one. It's in my stash of Traveler's notebooks. Oh, but what I ordered was the Traveler's Notebook Starter Kit. It's what she calls a classic Traveler's Notebook with single elastic. I don't know if they offer it anymore, because I think I was the only person buying them, because like I've got this one and the Mr. Darcy, and that's the Mr. Darcy color. And then I also have one in this, I forget what the guy's name is, but it's in this burgundy color. And they all come with an insert. And see how they all come with the elastic out of the back. It's a really pretty red. But they're single elastics. And it looks like they use the laser cutter to cut these out, instead of using a what's it called? Yeah, that looks like they used a laser cutter to cut them out, instead of using like the old punch system that they used to have. So there's the burgundy one. Let me get those out of the way. And there's my Mr. Darcy, which I might move back into this one. I might. Or maybe we'll go into the brown one. But I think I have an elastic in here. Ooh, I've got three. I've got a brown one, a black one, and an olive green one. These olive green ones I got from Baum Kuchen, because they were when you bought like an olive traveler's notebook and a certain number of inserts for a certain amount of money that you spent with them on Traveler's Company, you got a set of these, and this is just one of them. We'll use the brown, but I have a monthly insert, like a month on 2 pages. I have a weekly insert, where it's a week on 2 pages. And I just covered these with old paper from a House Papers Industries. And then this is a folder I made, and then some grid paper I printed, and I just made it into a folder just to give it a little extra sturdy. And this is a card wallet. So let's see, how are we gonna set this up? We're gonna put the month, I'm gonna put the folder with the grid at the back. I'm gonna slide this under. We're gonna put the weekly in the middle. So we've got the months, we've got the weeks, and then the last thing we're gonna put in for right now, because that all fits nicely, a little. And I did cut the folder just a little too big. It's more like personal size and width. I can always trim that if I need to. Let's see what happens if we put it in the center. It might stick out. Actually, it doesn't. Look at that. And then what you also get with the kit is a dashboard. And it'll be a Chic Sparrow. It says on the inside. Chic Sparrow, made in the USA, and then it has the product number and it says passport. And then this is a blank insert. This is their old paper. The staples are off a little bit. I'm probably gonna fix that myself. Because I've got a saddle stitch stapler. But it feels like it is Strathmore writing paper. It feels like it has a nice tooth to it. So it'll be great for, you know, having a little on-the-go sketchbook if I need at one time or another. But look at that. Let me get those out of the way. Look how cute that is. And so you'll see it matches my personal, which I've used off and on for 11 years, and my wallet, which I just had my stuff in it. And I moved back into this one. I might move back into my chocolate. Aren't they pretty? I used to have a narrow size in this chocolate creme, but I wasn't using it, and Allie Brown's mother, they had a storm. I remember probably at the early part of the year they had a hurricane, and well, actually it's probably almost about a year ago they had a hurricane in like the fall of last year, and her Traveler's Notebook by Chic Sparrow got moldy and horrible, and so I wasn't using one, and I sent it to her so she could have her Bible journal, and it is being used at this moment as we speak by her mother. So that is very wonderful that it's being used, because I wasn't using that size. I like the single elastic, and this is one of the few I use that has 4 elastics. So there we are. It is a, I'll pull it up on the receipt so you can see what they called it. There it is. It is the Chocolate Passport Starter Kit. And I just contacted them at the email address on the bottom of the web page. And I think it was Julia that got back with me. And she then sent me an invoice. And there you go. Got it. Got it. So it was, I guess it was a custom because it's something that they never made the starter in the passport size. But if it's on the web page still, I think it's only listed in like the Darcy leathers, but you can email them and they can make it out of any leather they have. So if you like a Waypoint leather, or I guess it was Outlander. Oh, that smells so good. You can get it made in any leather you like. So there we are. I just thought I would share a quick little look at the most recent acquisition, and I haven't had any acquisitions in a long time, so there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.